Question number 1. The greatest common factor of 4 and 15 is space. We know 4 and 15, we call it relatively prime numbers. Then the greatest common factor between 4 and 15, it will be 1. The common factor between 4 and 15 equal 1. It's meaning 4 and 15 can be divided by 1 only. Number 2, 1 and 3 over 4. 8 to 2 and half. We have 4 and 2 in denominator. We must find the least common multiplication between two denominators here. It will be 4. 4 can divide it by 2. Write 1 and 3 over 4 plus write 2 here. 2 times 2 equal 4. 1 times 2 equal 2. And then we must add 2 plus 1, it will be 3. And 2 plus 3 equal 5. And write 4 in numerator. 5 over 4, it will be 1 and 4th. We can write 3 outside. And 5 over 4, it will be 1 and 1 over 4. And then we must add 3 to 1, it will be 4 and 4th behind it. And the result will be 4 and 4th. Okay, 4 and 4th. Question was A, B, and question letter C. In the algebraic term negative 3x y, the coefficient will be negative 3. Negative 3, we called it coefficient. And x, we called it algebraic factors. And numerical factors, it will be negative 3 or coefficient. Algebraic factors x and y. Okay. Question letter D. If we subtract 5 from x, then the result will be x minus 5. Subtract 5 from x, it will be x minus 5. We call x here the million and 5 subtrahend. Question letter E. 3 power 0, it will be equal 1. In numbers power 0, the result will be 1. Question letter F. A statistical question here, it will be what? Statistical question. We have a lot of answer in the question. We have a lot of answers here. Results in a lot of different answer. Okay, results in a lot of different answer. Choosing number 1 here. Okay, choosing number 1. Question here, results in a lot different answer. Okay, understood. Choose this result. We have a lot of solutions about any questions. Choose the first solution here. Choose this. Question letter G. In each of the bar graphs and histogram, bars are used to represent data. Okay, bars are used to represent data. Okay, choose the first one here again. Question letter G. Choose the first choosing here. Last one here. Question. Okay, it's a finished questions here. Understood. So in each of the bar graph and histogram, bars are used to represent data. Choose the first result. Question number 2. Second, complete the following. If 13x equal 48 is in 6000. Question letter A. Pay attention with me. He give us this information. 13x or multiplication, it's a product. Okay, 13 product by 48 equals 624. Then 624 divided by each factors, the result will be the other factors. 624 divided by 13, the result will be 48 here. Letter B. All prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. 2 is even number. Letter C. The algebraic factor in 2.5x, it will be x. X, we call it algebraic factor. And numerical factor here, it will be 2.5. Okay. Question letter D. Bahir has M stickers in the sticker box. Then he puts up 12 more stickers. So he has now 12 plus M or M plus 12. It's a total. With him, it will be M plus 12. Question letter here the value of the expression r power 2 at r equal 9, it will be what? 9 power 2, it will be 81. The result here will be 81. Question letter F. Question letter F. The inequality that represent all values greater than -1 is x greater than -1. Choose the sign x refers to each number greater than -1. Question letter G. The range of the values here, we can find the range, the difference between the greatest number and smallest number. The greatest number here was 9 and smallest number here 1. 9 minus 1 equal 8. Last question H. The types of statistical data are space data and space. We have numerical and categorical data. We have numerical and categorical data. Okay, numerical and categorical data. Right here in the space, numerical data and categorical data. Third, choose the correct answer. Letter A. Third, letter A. The integer that expresses the depth of wall of 5 meters will be -5. Letter B. -6 in the form e over b, it will be -6 over 1. Letter C. The value of the expression e power 2 plus 2x 3 if a equal 3, 2x 3 if e equal 3. 3 power 2 equal 9. It's multiplication, okay? 2 times 3 equals 6. 9 plus 6 equal 50, okay? It's the product, okay? Not x. Okay, put e equal 3. 3 power 2 plus 2 times 3 equals 6. Then 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 plus 6 equal 50. Question letter D. The inequality that represent all values less than or equal to -1. X less than or equal to -1. Letter E. In u equal 3 plus w, u equal 3 plus w, the independent value here, independent, it will be w. The result will be w, okay? Called independent. It's input. Question letter F. The mean of the values, we can find the mean by all the values divided the number of values here. We write 45, 15 plus 40 plus 70 plus 80 divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can find the number 5 plus 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 4, 20, 21, 25 plus 25 over 5, it will be 50. This is the mean. The mean here it will be equal 50. It's letter F. Understood? Last question, letter G. The lower quartile of the values present using opposite box bullet. Lower quartile here is 12. Okay, the result will be 12. And if he asked you about minimum, it will be 10, maximum value 21, and the median 14, and the upper quartile 17. But in this example, he won't find what? In this example, you want to find lower quartile. The lower quartile here, it will be 12. It's a lower quartile. Fourth, answer the following. The two numbers, space and space from Venn diagram. Question number 2. We have Venn diagram here. Two numbers here, 5 and 2. First number, 2 times 5 equal 10 and 3 times 7 equal 21. So the result will be 10 and 21. Letter P. Okay, we have the first question. It's the second question. First question here, we want to find division between two numbers. Okay, I will solve. The common prime factor between them here, we haven't any common factor between them, then the result will be none. We haven't here any common prime factors. Okay, now I will solve question number 1 here, and I will complete question number 2 when I finish question number 1 first. We have 1976 divided by 8. 19 divided by 8 equal 2. 2 times 8 equals 16 and remainder 3. 37 divided by 8 equal 4. 4 times 8 equals 32 and remainder 5. 56 divided by 8 equals 7. The result will be 247. Okay, right, 247. Question letter B. 9 and 4 over 5 subtracted by 3.5. We can find the difference between two numbers by writing the least common multiplication between two denominators. The least common multiplication between 5 and 2, it will be 10, because 5 and 2 we call them relatively prime numbers, and the least common multiplication between 5 and 2 equal their product. Then we can write 9 here and 10 in numerator, 10 in numerator, and 2 times 4 equal 8, 5 times 1 equal 5. The difference between them, 9 minus 3 equals 6, and 8 minus 5 equal 3, and write 10 in numerator. The result will be 6 and 3 over 10. Okay, now we will complete question number 2. 10 and 12, first number, second number. We haven't any prime number common between them. Okay, it's none. The common prime factors are, right, none. Question letter C. The greatest common factor, question letter C about this question, the greatest common factor, it will be 1. 10 and 21 we call them relatively prime numbers. 21 and 10 are relatively prime numbers, and the greatest common factor between them equal 1. And question D, least common multiplication between them, it will be the product of all prime factors here. 5 times 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 5 equal 10, 3 times 7 21 times 10 equal 210. It will be the least common multiplication between two numbers. Are the two numbers relatively prime? Yes. Question letter E, right? Yes, because the greatest common factor between two numbers equal 1. Question number 3, draw the box plot for each following groups two values here. Okay. To solve this example, first step, we must find the median, and to find the median you must arrange all the values ascendingly from least to greatest. Okay, the least number here, it will be what we have 3 and 2. Write 2 first, 3, 2, 3, 2 again. We have 2 and 2 and 3 here, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9, 10 and 10, and 11, 12, right, 12. Okay, count with me the numbers here to find box plot and median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then next step here, we can find the median by cancel one digit by one digit, cancel this number by this number. Okay, cancel. So the يعني will be equal 8 plus 9 divided by 2. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 17 divided by 2 equal 8 and half, 8.5. Okay, then we'll draw the number line here and put on it all the values from 1 to 12. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, and then put the point to minimum. 2 here is the minimum, put the point, and the maximum here 12. Okay, it's the maximum, and we know this part can get from it the quarter one. Choose the number lies in the middle here, it will be 3. Okay, 3 here, the quarter one, it's lower quarter, and from this part here 10 lies in the middle, then 10 we called it quarter 3, we called it what, upper quarter. Then the lower quarter was 3 and upper quarter was 10, and then draw the box here and draw this line, and going to the median here 8 and half from this part, 8 and half here, the median 8.5. Okay, understood? So quarter one and minimum and the maximum 12, and the median and the quarter one 3, quarter 3 equal 10, it's upper quarter here. Question number 4, use number line to represent the following inequality: x less than 5. We can draw the number line 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. X less than 5, the integers less than 5, it will be 4 3 2 1 0 to negative infinity. Solution on the number line. Okay,